Hey, you guys want to play Pokemon? Let's play Monopoly. How about Kismopoly? How about Monopoly? How about Barbara Walters Monopoly? Oh yeah, let's play Cream Monopoly. Let's make this happen. Alright, start crapping. I'm Shrek. I'm Woody. I'm Aladdin. I'm a tiny Monopoly board. You got a 1 with 2 dice? Do you want to buy Mediterranean Avenue? Chance! You are the We all landed on the same spot. Do you know what that means? We're gonna throw all our important life documents in this trash from across the room. My liberal arts diploma. My birth certificate. Birth certificate. My social security card. Social security. And I've got my left kidney. Free organ. You know what that means. You boys want a cold one? Railroad? Do you know what that means? Seven. I landed in jail. Do the meat. I haven't seen my family in 5 years. There's a Skittle where my hotel is supposed to be. Where's my hotel? Income tax. Did you make any big purchases last year? Well, I bought a horse. I'll roll for you. Don't touch another man's cubes. Waterworth? You owe me $500. I want to go home. Now wait a full minute. This isn't a Monopoly board. This is a Ouija board. I'm a dead ghost. Spooky.